Going to look at the steps that we are going to follow to set up a test API service using Postman. And it's very simple. I'm using a free version. You can obviously upgrade that as well, but you get the mock server in the free version where you can essentially mock send, receive requests, mock up an API essentially. And all what you need to do is just go to mock servers, and there you essentially, I've created a mock server where I've just created a simple API, and you can see I've done some testing with it. And essentially what you can do is just go to your mock servers, click on plus. Once you do that, you just need to just select that you're doing a get request or you're doing a post request. Give it a name and essentially just save it, right? You can also import a collection. You can also create a new collection, and you can essentially just set it up. So I've just set up a test API over here, and you can see that this test API essentially you can see the headers that are coming from the request. You can see the request body, which is nothing at the moment, the response headers, which is JSON, and the response body, which I return back each time I call the API service from my agent. And this is just a hard-coded message text and just a hard-coded value, and that's it. It doesn't mean anything. It's just a hard-coded value. But essentially, what I get is I get a URL, and that URL essentially can be mocked as a send request to any API, and that's what I've used for this.